Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Kim and I left New Mexico Friday before last, and instead of the 3-day trip back home, it took about 6. And this was all due to heavy winds. I think some of them probably the heaviest in 300 years. At least it sure felt like it, driving one of these things. So consequently, we had to spend the night in Albuquerque, and then again 2 nights in Tucumcari in New Mexico. Then we spent a night in Shamrock, Texas, which is just before the Oklahoma border. And then in Oklahoma we had to stop in Seminole, and then one town in Arkansas, I cannot remember the name of it, saved my life right now. Anyway, so we didn't get back until this past Thursday. Didn't get to my brother's. So I'd set an appointment up for tomorrow at the Safety Plus steering control factory in Georgia. And now they've moved, I think, in the last couple of years. Most of the videos you'll see of them are when they were in Atlanta, in that area. But they've since moved to a little town right off I-20 over near the Alabama border, and that's where I'm heading now. Actually just got on I-20 a little while ago, came down through I-65 to Birmingham and then cut over on 20. So they're not that far away now, maybe an hour and a half or so, and I'm gonna boondock in their parking lot for the night, and then tomorrow morning at 8:30 I have my appointment to get it installed on our RV, and I will let you know how it goes. It's very promising, and I'm hoping it fixes everything. So we shall see. But that's where we're at right now. I just wanted to bring you up to date, and more later. Bye.